Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series.
Today, we're talking about something personal and exciting. Living in Dubai. My daily life story.
In this lesson, you'll get a real glimpse into what everyday life in Dubai feels like. From sunrise, under the desert sky, to late evenings by the marina lights.
You'll also learn how to describe daily routines, share experiences, and talk about feelings using fluent, natural English expressions.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And we'd love to hear from you. Comment below and tell us what your daily routine looks like where you live.
Great! Let's dive in and explore what a typical day in Dubai is really like for Ryan. Ryan, you've been living in Dubai for quite some time now, right?
Yes, Emma. It's been about 4 years already, and every single day feels like a mix of excitement, challenge, and discovery.
That's amazing! How would you describe your daily life there?
It's fast-paced yet organized. The city pushes you to stay active and motivated from morning to night.
So, when does your day usually start?
Around 6:30 a.m. I like to wake up early to enjoy the calm before the city gets busy.
That's early. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I always open the curtains to see the sunrise over the skyline. It's an instant boost of motivation.
That must be beautiful. Do you make breakfast at home?
Yes, I usually make coffee and oatmeal, but sometimes I grab breakfast from a cafe downstairs.
Dubai has so many cafes, right?
Absolutely. There's one on almost every corner, and each has its own vibe.
After breakfast, what's next?
I get ready for work, check emails, and plan my tasks for the day.
Do you drive to work or take public transport? I drive most days. The metro is great, but driving gives me more flexibility. How's the traffic there?
It's manageable in the morning, but gets really heavy after 5 p.m.
I can imagine. So, what's your office like?
It's modern and multicultural. People from everywhere working under one roof.
That sounds exciting. Do you like your job?
I do. It's challenging, but the energy in Dubai keeps me motivated.
What do you do exactly?
I work as a marketing manager for a tech startup near downtown Dubai.
Oh wow, that must be fun.
It is, though it can be hectic. Meetings, projects, and campaigns keep me busy all day.
When do you usually take lunch?
Around 1 p.m. I often go with colleagues to try different cuisines.
That must be delicious.
Yes, you can eat food from any country here. Indian, Japanese, Lebanese, Italian, everything.
What's your favorite so far?
Lebanese shawarma and Indian butter chicken. Both are my comfort food.
Yum! After lunch, do you head back to work?
Yes, I usually have meetings or creative brainstorming sessions in the afternoon.
Do you ever get tired during the day?
Sometimes, but a quick coffee or a short walk outside helps a lot.
Is it too hot to walk outside though?
In summer, yes. It's like walking inside an oven.
Wow, that sounds extreme.
It really is, but luckily everything here is air-conditioned.
So you spend most of your time indoors?
Exactly. During summer, malls become everyone's favorite hangout spot.
I've heard the malls there are massive.
They are. Some even have aquariums, skating rinks, and indoor ski slopes.
That's unbelievable.
Dubai takes luxury to another level.
So, what time do you finish work?
I usually go to the gym or meet friends for dinner.
Sounds balanced.
I try to keep it that way. Otherwise, burnout happens fast here.
What's your gym like?
It's great. It has city views, modern equipment, and even a juice bar.
That must be motivating.
It really is. Seeing the skyline while working out feels amazing.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings at the gym?
Evenings. It helps me release the day's stress.
After the gym, what's next?
I head home, shower, and prepare a light dinner or order something online.
Is food delivery fast there?
Super fast. You can get almost anything in under 30 minutes.
That's convenient. What do you usually order?
Sushi, grilled chicken, or sometimes just salad and fruit.
Do you cook often?
Occasionally on weekends. Cooking helps me relax,
That's nice. What's your favorite dish to make?
Pasta with spicy tomato sauce. Simple but delicious.
I love that. Do you watch TV while eating?
Usually Netflix or YouTube. Sometimes English podcasts to improve vocabulary.
That's productive.
I try to make entertainment educational too.
Do you live alone or with roommates?
Alone. It gives me peace after busy workdays.
I get that. Is your apartment near your workplace?
Yes, about 15 minutes by car. That's short for Dubai standards.
That's good. Is it expensive to rent?
Yes, rent is one of the biggest expenses here.
So, budgeting must be important.
Absolutely. You have to plan wisely or money disappears quickly.
What's your favorite part of your apartment?
My balcony. It has an amazing night view of the marina.
That sounds perfect. Do you relax there often?
Yes, every night with tea and some quiet music.
That's peaceful. Do you ever feel homesick?
Sometimes, especially during holidays.
How do you handle that?
Video calls with family and cooking familiar food help a lot.
That's sweet. Do you have friends from your country there?
Yes, but most of my friends are from different countries.
That must be fun.
It is. We share food, stories, and cultures.
So weekends must be lively.
Definitely. We usually go to the beach, brunches, or desert drives.
Oh, desert drives sound amazing.
They are. The sand dunes and sunset views are unforgettable.
Do you take photos often?
Yes. Dubai is too photogenic not to.
I can imagine. What about nightlife?
It's vibrant, but classy. Rooftop lounges, live music, and calm seaside spots.
That's perfect balance.
Exactly. You can party or just relax. Your choice.
How safe do you feel living there?
Very safe. You can walk alone at midnight without worrying.
That's rare these days.
True. Safety is one of Dubai's strongest points.
What's one thing you've learned living there?
Discipline. The city rewards effort and time management.
That's inspiring.
It really shapes your mindset.
Do you think you'll stay long-term?
Maybe a few more years. I still have goals to achieve here.
What kind of goals?
Professional growth, financial stability, and maybe start my own business.
That's ambitious.
Dubai inspires ambition. Everyone's working towards something.
That's motivating energy.
Yes, it pushes you to keep improving yourself.
Do you ever take breaks from the city?
Yes, I travel during holidays to nearby countries like Oman or the Maldives.
That sounds wonderful.
Traveling helps me recharge and gain new perspectives.
What's the hardest part about living abroad?
Being away from family and handling everything on your own.
That's tough.
It is, but it also makes you independent and stronger.
Do you ever feel pressured to keep up with others in Dubai?
Sometimes, yes. People here are very career-driven.
That can be stressful.
True, but it motivates you to stay focused too.
What do you do to relax on weekends?
I visit the beach, read, or explore new restaurants.
Any favorite beach?
Jumeirah Beach. It's clean, scenic, and perfect for sunrise walks.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is my favorite place to think and reflect.
Do you like Dubai's lifestyle overall?
Yes, though it's demanding, it's full of opportunities.
That's fair. Let's see yourself calling it home someday.
Maybe temporarily. It's a great place to build, but not to retire.
That's honest.
Yes, life here moves too fast for a quiet retirement.
What about festivals and events?
They're amazing, from New Year's fireworks to food festivals and expo events.
Sounds like there's always something happening.
Exactly. Boredom doesn't exist in Dubai.
Do you ever just do nothing?
Rarely, but when I do, it feels like heaven.
I bet. Do you like the weather during winter?
Yes, it's perfect, sunny, breezy, and great for outdoor activities.
That's the best time to live there then.
Absolutely. Everyone enjoys Dubai more in winter.
What do you think newcomers should know before moving there?
That it's beautiful but demanding. You need patience and adaptability.
Good advice.
And always respect the local culture and rules. That's key.
Yes, cultural awareness matters.
It does. That's what keeps the city so harmonious.
What keeps you motivated every morning?
The skyline, the goals, and the belief that effort pays off.
That's powerful.
Dubai really teaches you to dream big, but stay disciplined.
Do you miss your old lifestyle?
Sometimes, but growth always requires change.
Very true. Do you socialize often?
Yes, but quality over quantity. Good friends are gold here.
That's wise.
In a fast city, meaningful connections keep you grounded.
Beautifully said. What's your evening routine before bed?
Tea, reflection, sometimes journaling. Then sleep by 11.
So disciplined.
I try to keep structure. It keeps me balanced.
Do you ever feel like Dubai changed who you are?
Completely. It turned me from dreamer to doer.
That's inspiring.
Dubai pushes you to live your best version daily.
If you could describe Dubai in one word.
Opportunity. It rewards effort like no other place.
I love that.
It's true. Here, even dreams have deadlines.
Very well said.
It's the Dubai mindset. Work hard, enjoy harder.
Do you think you'll ever leave?
One day, yes, but I'll carry its lessons forever.
That's deep.
Every skyscraper here reminds me what persistence builds.
That's poetic.
Maybe, but it's how I see this city.
Thank you for sharing your story, Ryan.
My pleasure, Emma. I hope it inspires others.
It surely will. Dubai sounds like a lesson in ambition.
Exactly. A lesson wrapped in beauty and challenge.
Any last advice for people moving there?
Stay humble, stay hungry, and enjoy every sunrise.
That's perfect.
Because every day in Dubai feels like a new opportunity.
To everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this.
And comment below. Would you love to live in Dubai? Or is it too fast-paced for your taste?
Thank you for listening. Remember, every city has its story, and every day is a chance to write yours.
Well said. Emma, until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep dreaming big.